Why is Ripple Labs in court, and what could be the implications of this court case on the entire crypto industry? We want to kick this video off by giving you some background on Ripple and XRP token. So Ripple Labs was founded in 2012 and it was founded as OpenCoin, but it went on later to change its name and launch XRP token. XRP came at a time when there were very few cryptocurrencies, and it came bearing a solution in the form of cross-border remittances. From the year 2017 to 2020, XRP experienced crazy growth, with its market capitalization growing from millions to billions in this time period. However, at the end of 2020, in December, the SEC just had to come and mess things up by filing a lawsuit against the Ripple Labs company, saying that they had accumulated more than $1 billion by selling XRP, which is being considered by the SEC as an unregistered security. This begs the question, is XRP actually a security? For an asset to be considered a security in the US, it needs to pass something called the Howey test, which is basically used to determine whether a transaction is deemed as an investment contract. Now, investment contracts exist if there is an amount of money being invested into a certain entity with the expectation of profit later on through the efforts of the people that are within the entity or the body. Basically, what the SEC is doing, it's claiming that XRP is being used as some sort of share through which users or the crypto community is investing in Ripple Labs with an expectation of profit. The problem here is that people who are actually buying the XRP, the holders of XRP, are saying we might have looked at XRP as an investment when we were purchasing, but it wasn't on the orders of Ripple Labs. We are looking at 14.6 billion XRP being sold or being traded for cash between 2013 and 2020. And this is information that the SEC has added into the lawsuit. So what happens if Ripple Labs actually wins this court case against the SEC? This could come with a major upside because XRP would have obtained legality within the US market, allowing investors who have been sitting on the sidelines just watching to invest, because there has been this pending lawsuit that has really put uncertainty in the minds of investors, hence tampering with the XRP market, the XRP ecosystem. On a larger scale, this particular court case win by XRP or Ripple Labs would impact the whole crypto industry, because it would give it some clarity in regards to the regulations against cryptocurrencies or regulations around cryptocurrencies, which seem to be very unclear right now. However, there is an opposite side to this question. What if the SEC wins the court case against Ripple Labs? We feel like this would come with such a devastating blow, because these same issues that the SEC is suing Ripple Labs over are issues that are impacting the entire crypto industry as we speak. Now, back in December 2020, when the SEC actually filed their lawsuit against Ripple Labs, we saw that thousands of XRP holders were impacted by this decision. They lost access to their funds because a lot of the US crypto exchanges, such as Coinbase, stopped trading XRP on their platforms. In addition to that, some of these holders had life savings and pensions accounts that were with XRP, and without access to their funds, they weren't able to sell their cryptocurrencies for other cryptocurrencies or for the US dollar. So you find that these accounts were frozen and therefore left them in a dire situation. And this is one of the major points in the industry that a lot of the industry players are fighting for. They're like, there are so many people who are going to be affected by this decision, and it will hit the crypto industry in such a crazy way. This instance set precedent for what is likely to happen if the SEC is to have any positive outcomes from the court case that is happening right now. You can see that if the SEC wins, it will have authority to regulate XRP and many other cryptocurrencies as securities, hence making them less attractive to investors that are interested in coming and investing in the market. So this will have long-term effects on the industry, impeding its growth going forward. If it was meant to, become mainstream within a certain period of time, it will probably increase on that time, maybe double it, you never know. Now, this win will also affect the secondary crypto market, which is the market that involves buying and selling of cryptocurrencies, the peer-to-peer transactions, me and you or me and an organization. By this win going to the SEC, it will mean that the SEC will have leeway to bring lawsuits against other industry players, similar lawsuits against other industry players. And this will affect not just crypto exchanges, but we're looking at developers, we're looking at vendors, we're looking at ordinary users like you and I. This will impact the entire crypto market and its growth. Now, since the lawsuit was filed, there have been many price changes in XRP. And in this video on the screen right now, I share my story as to how I lost a third of my XRP investment.